How to customize the right-click menu in Windows 11. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you the easy way to customize the right-click menu in Windows 11. So in order to do this, you just need to head over and search in here for CMD. Then once you have searched for that, just open Command Prompt. I already opened it right here. So what I need to do next is I just need to head over and paste this right here, and then head over and enter this one, and they should be able to add this specific command on my registry editor and just one click. So doing that will actually allow me to customize the right click menu and open so many possibilities on my device using this right here. So as you can see right here, just need to head over to your registry editor, head over to HKCU, software classes, and CLCV, and then head over to this one right here, which is a new key that you need to register. And then also you need to head over and add this new key, which is in proc server 32, and then add in modified by binary data using this. But if you use CMD, you just need to head over and put this one and then click this with a one click. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to customize the right click menu in Windows 11. If you have questions, comment them down below and try my best to answer them. Thanks.